Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a chilly Wednesday afternoon here in Cape Town. Sun's out, but because it's winter here it's pretty cold. And yeah, I thought it's time for a pour and I'm going to try a little experiment today. I so enjoyed that last sort of Dutch pour I did with the blues that today I'm going to experiment with black and then some other brighter colors. So the colors I've got today are the cadmium yellow, in the medium hue, just a nice bright orange. We've got the alizarin crimson, which is nice, and then I've got a nice metallic silver. And the color that I'm going to be using with the cell activator is this ivory black. So I've mixed that up. So let's get this on the go. There we go. I made quite a lot of black because wasn't quite sure exactly how much I needed for this canvas, but I knew that 1 cup wasn't going to be enough, so there we go. Actually, you know what, today I'm just going to use the spatula, spread it out. Actually way more satisfying than tilting it. There we go. Pop the air bubbles. Okay guys, there we go. I'm going to start off with the silver. I'm going to try to do another sort of nice freehand line. Like that. That's good. Then let me start with the bit of red. There we go. Next up we'll do the yellow. And last but not least, we'll do the nice bright orange. There we go. I'm hoping these colours really stand out against the black, but I guess we won't know until we blow, as they say. Okay, cell activator. It's going to go on. I put too much on last time, so I'm going to just put a little bit less this time. That should do it. There we go. Perfect. So I'm going to put some music on now. You can watch the blow happen. Wow. Wow guys, that looks amazing. Let me get the old blowtorch out and let's see what's going to happen with this baby. I just love the contrast of the bright colours on the black. It looks really good. Actually missed a spot here. Here's my straw. There we go. Well, what can I say? I absolutely love it. What I'm going to do with my little spatula there, just going to clean up the edges. There we go. This edge. Actually, I really like this effect. It makes the colours really pop out of the canvas. And yeah, I hope it dries well, because often with the black, when it's drying, the black seems to take over and the other colours sort of fade away. But I think that we're going to be good here. The silver actually is starting to come through here very nicely. I think I'm just going to flame it again. For some reason the metallics always take much longer than the other colours to come up. I guess maybe because of the pigment, the stuff that's in them. But yeah, I'm loving it. Exactly what I thought it would look like. Some beautiful cell formation. So there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I've certainly enjoyed making this quick video. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot more silver coming through. I can already see it here. So yeah, I'll give you a close-up now and hope you are having a good week, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the week, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, always forget that. See you next time. Cheers.